morning, friends. Time to wake up now. Let's get ready for the day with our buddy Chau. Jog grabs his brush, it's morning bright. Scrub, 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 make your smile shine white. Up and down and round we go, brushing gently, nice and slow. Don't forget the teeth in the back. Tiny sugar bugs, pack your pack. A dab of paste, not too much. Bubbles dance with every touch. Rinse and spit, then rinse again. Now Chau's smile is sparkling then. 2 whole minutes start to end. Morning and night, it's the trend. Now Chau is ready, clean and bright. Let's start our day, feeling just right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chau Nursery.